It is not necessarily that you will go from one church to another, from temple to temple, in search of your connection to Chukwu Okabiama. Chukwu Okike in Igbo spirituality is the creator, the source of life and destiny, and he does not hide in temples or towers. He lives inside nature. He speaks through the sun, the earth, the wind, the moon, rivers, and the stars. To the wise, nature is not ordinary. Every natural element is a spiritual doorway to Chukwu Okike. The sun, when the sun rises, it brings the light, clarity, and divine powers. Many pray facing the sun because it represents Chukwu shining on your destiny. Morning sun is a symbol of fresh blessing. The earth, Allah. Allah is the mother of justice, purity, and life. When a person kneels and places a hand on the earth, they are speaking directly to the Creator through the mother of creation. Water. Water which washes, purifies, and carries spiritual messages. When someone prays with clean water, they are asking Chukwu to cleanse their path and open their ways. The wind, Ifufe. The wind is invisible yet powerful. Just like the spirit, when wind passes during prayers, elders say Chukwu has heard. The moon and stars. The night sky is the book of the Creator. The moon controls timing, season, famine, energy, birth, and intuition. The nature is Chukwu Okike. Do not be deceived anymore. Come to the light and connect yourself with Chukwu Okike. I still remain your brother, High Doctor Eliwagwagu. The right